everyone. So today I thought we would have a look at different types of pencils, or should I say different grades of pencils, excuse me. So we're going to look at a charcoal 2B from France. We're then going to combine it with a 14B, which is a Faber-Castell Pit Matte Graphite Pencil, a 10B, a 6B. Then we're going to try various white, this is a charcoal, Quai Nua Hardmouth. We're going to try that. It's a 2, which means that it's fairly soft. Then we've got a Derwent Drawing Chinese White pencil. We have a Conti White 2B piece of chalk. And then we have our monorazer, which I always use with the most amazing tip that one can manipulate to whatever shape you want with a craft knife. We're going to be using a blender. This is a number 9. I've got a Derwent electric eraser, which is absolutely superb. And we are going to use our trusty kneadable eraser, which we can manipulate into any sort of width or point that we want to lift out. So let's get going. I've got this beautiful buck on my left hand side here, and I have this paper which is Carson Mi-Teintes. It's got 33% cotton. Looks amazing. I've never used it before, so I'm just hoping that I can do something on here that will impress you all. So I'm going to start with the eye on the left hand side. I'm going to be using the charcoal. I just want to see what happens if I put the white over it. I do believe that it is easy to do and very, very effective. So let's have a look and see. Enjoy. Either draw along with me or watch, whichever you prefer. And this is a live freehand going straight in drawing, as you can see. So there will be mistakes. I really do encourage mistakes. It's the only way that you can learn. I'm not saying do them deliberately, but I am saying embrace them, because that is how you learn. You learn so fast if you embrace them. So getting the shape correct on this eye is very important to me, because I just feel that the eyes are the souls of the drawing. I'm going to blend it. I do know that a blender does seem to take away a little bit of the charcoal residue when you're using it, but that's fine because we can always go back in again. With this beautiful light reflection at the top here, with these gorgeous eyelashes. Imagine if us girls were born with these beautiful eyelashes. Oh, be in heaven. Let's just get this shape right. It's slightly more of an angle at the bottom, and then we've got this amazing light that shows on the side here. So the light is actually going through the eyeball and exposing a part of it on the left hand side as see-through. Let's see if we can get that. There's beautiful light there. We're going to use the white for that. This is grey along the edge here, moving up to that side. This needs to come out slightly. Right, so that's the start of the eye. I'm going to be blending this over because we'll take this out and we'll add in the white. That's the whole purpose of this tutorial, is to actually see how well the white sits on top of this. So there's the eye. I'm just going to blend this out. That beautiful piece of brow on the top, and then we have this gorgeous lower lid, I suppose one could call it. Again, we have gorgeous eyelashes. We'll put those in a minute. And this comes down. I'm just using what I have on my pencil just to give us an outline and an indication of where these beautiful greys are. and the shape that we need to keep to. I love this beautiful straight line that they have here. I'm just going to take this out. I'm just going to highlight this lovely bit of reflection on the fur. Comes down here. Give it a bit of shape. Right, so we've got that in. I'm now going to go, and I know that this sounds a bit daft, but I am experimenting here. I'm now going to go in on top of that with the pat, listen to me, the Pit Matte Graphite Pencil. I'm not sure that I like that. It seems to be giving a bit of a shine, which it shouldn't be, because that's the whole purpose of these Pit Black pencils. Anyway, let's carry on, because this is after all an experiment, as I said, and see what we end up with. Right, let's go. It's a bit darker over here, just to give it some form. Let's try putting in the white now, because that is the purpose of this short tutorial, is to see which. Oh, this is good. Look at that. That is beautiful. It's exactly what we're looking for, right? That nice white reflection in there on top of the black. This is working wonderfully well. Now that's good to know. Put a bit of white in down here, around the corner here. And I'm going to put this little bit in here, even though it isn't white, but just to give it a bit of shape. That comes down there. Well, I must say I'm really enjoying this. I haven't got this shape 100% right, but we can use this to blend in. There we go. Let's add a bit more of the charcoal. I didn't sharpen this, and perhaps that is what I should have done. Yeah, charcoal is definitely the better of the two. Between the matte and the matte graphite pencil and the charcoal, I do prefer this. It's giving a lot more dense, beautiful black here, which is really working for this eyeball, I feel. So leave a comment and let me know what you think, because it's good to know what my viewers think and what they are looking for, and I can always add it to the channel. But there we go. I think that is quite successful for this little tutorial. Beautiful eye. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope that you have a lovely day and that you'll try this out and let me know how you found it. Thank you.